So, you've seen a bunch of camera drone videos on YouTube, and now you want to join the fun. Okay, you'll need a camera drone and a set of high-quality FPV goggles, a complicated controller, it'll cost hundreds, or get the new Inductrix HD package for a fraction of the cost. The Inductrix FPV HD comes with everything you need. The Inductrix drone with a 1080p camera and onboard recorder, an easy-to-use controller with smartphone mount, the Blade FPV headset adapter, and even a battery to get you going. It's so simple to get flying FPV. Turn on the controller, connect your battery to the drone, and connect your phone to the HD Wi-Fi stream. And you're off. You'll get amazing HD video streamed to your phone for real FPV flying. You can use the integrated controller mount, or clip your phone into the adapter for a full immersion FPV experience. The onboard recorder captures all the action in stunning 1080p video you can play and share. Even the first timer can fly with confidence. With safe advanced technology, the Inductrix FPV HD will level out and hold altitude all by itself. And when you do crash, and everyone does, the Inductrix FPV is tough and rugged. If you crash upside down, you won't have to chase after it. Just use meow mode, and it will flip itself over so you can get right back in the air. So stop thinking about it and get your Inductrix FPV HD today.